Hey friends, our animal truck is here. Wow, it's loaded with animals and cartoon action figures. Wow friends, so beautiful. Let's unload them. Hey friends, elephant. Wow friends, elephant. Hey, rabbit.
Hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop and stop.
Wow friends, white color rabbit. Wow friends, hey, it's a white and black color panda. Wow friends, hey, second truck is animal, wild animal, leopard. Very dangerous animal, leopard. Wow friends, hey, it's a fish. A yellow color fish. Wow friends, hey, let's unload this blue truck. Wow, hey, it's a white and black color cow. Hey, cow. Wow friends, it's a rat. Wow, rhino. Wild animal, rhino. Wow friends, it's a bear. Wow, it's a wild animal, bear. Wow, let's unload this truck. White color chicken. Wow friends, chicken. Hey, it's a cow. Hey, it's a cat. Wow friends, it's a cat. Hey, the pink and white color, the big, it's a duck. Wow friends, let's unload this truck. Hey, wow friends, blue and white color Doraemon. Pigeon. The the last animal, it's a wolf. Wow, friends,